Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio. That's my 14 by 14 inch canvas. That is the cream picture I used for Ringpour. Those are the orange colors with some gold and stuff that I'm going to use. Those are the potentials that may come into this afterwards. Let's see if I can get started and get my camera to cooperate. There we go. And I am going to make a Ringpour cup right now after I get this out of my way for the moment. I'm going to use some Arteza Tangerine Pearl, some Hobby Lobby Orange with Iridescent Pearl Fine in it. Wait a minute, I'm going to put a little bit of white enamel in between. This may wind up being very cloud pour-ish. That's not coming out very well. Come on. That's a little better. Obviously I have something in my tip. It's not supposed to happen when you put caps on. Okay, so I think I have some Golden Hour from Arteza. It's also a pearl. It's in the Elements or the, I can't remember which collection it's in, but if you find my Arteza playlist, you'll find them all. That is a 24 karat gold from Decor Art Americana with a little bit of orange in it. I want some other orange, which I need to find right now. There we go, that'll work. And it's open! That's very fortunate. Let's use a little bit of that white metallic. Excuse me, white enamel, acrylic enamel. And I have a color called Velveeta. It's not, it's a color I made up. I refer to it as Velveeta. There's no Velveeta paint color out there that I know of. There might be. I've got something left over from a long time ago that's orange that needs, perfect, needs to be used up. I would really like this one to be free and clear, but I guess I'm just going to, whoa, I think I'm going to add some more Decor Art Americana 24 karat gold. I'm going to find some yellow. And that is a Hobby Lobby Master's Touch. And a little bit of white metallic from Anita's. A little more of the sherbet. I'm not necessarily loving the way the colors are looking going in. I'm just going to take this top right off. And find my tweezers, or the skewer will have to work for a moment. I think that'll work. I can't tell. Alright, I'll leave that where I can't spill it, hopefully. So, what I'm thinking is that I'm just going to go for this. In a straight pour, which I almost never ever do. And then, if I don't like what I've got, I will do something to change it. You know what, I've been learning to torch. And I really wish I'd put my hot orchid in there. And my glasses are not on my head. Ha! Okay then. Batting 1,000. What did I do with them? They are not in evidence. That is a drag, because everything's kind of fuzzy right now. Alright, I guess we'll see what's going to happen. And I got to tell you, I'm not super stoked about what I'm seeing yet, so the chances of me doing something else are very good right now. I'm still looking around for my glasses though. Darn. Hey, I found an edge catcher. That's a good start. I think, because I can, I am going to put some hot orchid from Color Art in the bottom of that cup. A little white metallic from Anita's. A little golden iridescent pearl fine laden quinacridone magenta. Some purple, I don't know. I think the purple is the same. I think it's got the golden iridescent pearl fine added to purple That was a Hobby Lobby brand, Master's Touch. And I do happen to like those colors better. But I'm going to do the same exact thing. Try and tilt that out. I'm also going to give myself some black on one side. Which may or may not mean anything at all, because it will probably get swallowed. But if I use my edge catcher, to stop paint, I've still got an edge I can hang on to over here, but I don't know how long for. I do like keeping some negative space. I think what I'm going to do is grab an OXO omelet turning spatula, snag this paint right off of my edge catcher, and fill in so I don't have to any other way. And use my happily spreading and flowing hot orchid. See how far down there we can get it without it dripping all the way down my arm. I could pull the edge catcher and the canvas apart and keep the paint and use it somewhere else. Or I could do what I'm doing. I seem to have a lot more paint than I need, but I'm really okay with that right now, because I will use it. And I might use it to fill in my gaps. And I think that would be kind of cool. I'm going to run my finger along the bottom, take that extra paint off. I'm loving my composition. I'm really happy I put that black paint up there. I'm going to try and make a little space for me to put something down, since I've left things in my way that do not belong. So now I'm going to take a little bit of that paint, put it on that corner. I am willing to make a mess of myself to get this right. And since I'm not seeing anything but fuzzy stuff, I'm doing really well. I want to let you know. I don't know what I did with my glasses. I need them back. And they're not in the secret place I usually lose them for, which is not very far away. I am going to just keep scooping this paint up. Try not to mix it too much, because I don't want green. And black and orange will often make green. But I think I'm doing alright, and I'm going to torch. Loving my shape. The shape of my composition is making me very happy, as opposed to that drip there, which I'm going to blow in shape. I think I'm going to torch and tell you guys that I'm almost done, and I just dripped that orange into the black, and if I don't want it there, I'm going to remove it with my secret skewer weapon. Hopefully. By just rolling it up. Yes, good. Okay, so I've got a couple cottage cheese lids, and I've got some minutes left. So I want to give myself an opportunity. I love that pink orchid, that hot orchid. So I've got GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures. My recipe's below the video. And if you're using GAC 800 by Golden, it means your paint is less likely to crack. And it also lends a nice glossiness to the finish on things. Now I'm not dipping chain or putting any basting brush or anything in here yet, and probably won't. I'm loving my colors and I like my negative space. If I want something else, I might put gold in, but I'm really uncomfortable without my glasses, so better safe than sorry maybe, and not do that. So I'm going to just take some gold in spite of saying that right then. Do my best. Go right over the side. Yep. Okay, I'm not minding that. I'm going to pretend that I can see. Just add a little bit of gold. I kind of want some here too. Good thing I'm a good guesser. I did it! Yay! Okay, so there's 91,000 of you guys subscribed, and if you're new, please be welcomed. I love you. I love you all. I've got lots of that orange paint and I don't need it. So I'll be probably putting it on my Lola Fee silicone mat and letting it dry and peeling it up and using it for something else sometime soonish. So thank you guys for all the donations that helped keep me painting all this time. I really appreciate them. Thank you so much. If you are in a position to want to be able to help me continue to produce videos, tutorials for YouTube, I take PayPal or Patreon donations, and then in return I add you automatically to the monthly drawing. And you can see the prizes for the monthly drawing on the exhibition video on the end screen of every video. This is bugging me. Alright, so where was I? I was telling you I have Teespring clothing below the video, and all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts, and I was telling you I love you too. And I have an Amazon link on the link tree that's right below the video. The link tree holds all my other links, and the Amazon link is where you can shop at no added cost to you, and it helps me out, and I really appreciate that, and I appreciate all of you who have done so. On my Amazon link you can find my books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Underneath the link tree you will also find Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links, as well as my Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation is for students. And you can see tomorrow's video posted there most nights before, but mornings lately, because I changed my post time to 3 or 4 in the afternoon. Weekends I have double posts on Friday and Saturday night, and sometimes Sunday night now too. So there's 2 videos on each of those days. My 1,700 videos plus are on playlists organized by topic and genre and by the 100. So if you're looking for something, you can find it. If you have a question, please feel free to ask me. The playlists are, you have to find them under all playlists and creative playlists. If you have a question, please ask me. I think I said that, but I'm always there for you guys if you need me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I appreciate you liking my videos. When you watch them longer, you give me assistance, and I really, really appreciate that. If you share to a group, big help to me, big assistance, and thank you so much. I'm not sure if zooming in will be a big assistance to you guys, but it's kind of cool, so maybe I should, since you're still here and I'm still here, and the colors worked out great. This is a stunner. I love it. And here we go. Zoom right in. Look at those colors. Wow. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. In the gallery. Wondering what I forgot to tell you guys. There's always something. You know there is. But I'm sure you're bored of hearing it. Oh yeah, Phoenix Rising Priscilla Batzell Art is my other channel. And instead of hundreds of views, or thousands, I get like less than 100. And there didn't used to be any commercials, but YouTube is now putting commercials on everything. So let me know what you guys think. Also, in December's drawing, I am interested in finding out if you guys would like me to offer a choice of 16 by 20 inch paintings, since I found a box that I can ship something in. And the more people who tell me that that would be of interest to them, the more chances I am to pick those out and have an exhibition video at the end of November to share with you what those prizes might happen to be. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'm squinting at my list, and I'm not seeing that I forgot anything. My email address is underneath the video, underneath the link tree. Should you be interested in purchasing an artwork, it's the best possible way you can help me. And my email is easpb and the word gallery @gmail.com. And it's right there. And if you want a class, I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida too. We're safe here. So far so good anyway. And we will talk to you anon, and take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I said that already. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I'm going to escape now.